Greetings again, YouTube viewers. This is the newest addition to my lawn and garden equipment. Just picked it up this afternoon on a cloudy Sunday afternoon. This is my new Ariens lawnmower. It's 22-inch cut width with a 173cc Kohler engine. It's a 3-in-1 machine, so it mulches, has a rear bag, and a side discharge. I think I'll probably just mainly use it for mulching. So we'll do a walk around the machine. There's the Kohler Courage XT7 engine, overhead valve. It's also a front-wheel drive lawnmower, so it's self-propelled. It's belt-driven. Can't wait to try it out. I've put the gas in it already, as well as the oil that came with it. And I'm going to fire it up here and see if it will start on the first go. So that's kind of the other view there of the gas feed.